In this video, we will demonstrate on how you can track the productivity and efficiency of your employees and machines by using Axecute. First, you need to maintain the information of your employees and machines in the master files. It will be good if you can print out the barcode of the employee and machine ID to use for scanning purpose. To track your employee productivity, scan the employee ID to start a job run when your employee is starting a job. Fill in the job information and click on the Start button. Note that Axecute allows an employee to run multiple jobs at a time. When the employee has completed his job, go to End Labor Run. Scan the employee ID and click on the Next button. Select the job that has been completed and fill in the job completion information. Click on the Stop button to end the labor run. The duration between the start and end transaction will be captured as the labor hour for this employee. For the tracking of machine uptime and efficiency, you can use the machine run function. When the machine is started to run a job, the employee needs to scan the machine ID barcode and select Start Machine Run. Fill in the required information and click on the Start button. When the machine has completed the job, go to Machine Run and scan the barcode of the machine. Select Stop Machine Run. Fill in the job completion information and click on the Stop button. The duration between the start and end transaction will be captured as the machine uptime hour for this machine. The production supervisors can have an overview on how many jobs and machines are currently running from the dashboard. If the supervisors require more information, they can find a more detailed breakdown in the labor and machine list page under the Transactions module. Axecute comes with several production reports that provide valuable data and information of what is happening in the production shop floor. For labor and machine hour tracking, you can take a look at the Job Operation Hours report. This report shows you the job information such as completed and scrapped quantity, labor runtime and machine runtime. It also displays the average labor and machine time it takes to produce one unit of the final product, and compare it against the plan time that has been specified. Machine Status Summary Report provides uptime and downtime information related to individual machine. And Labor Status Summary Report provides information on all the labor activity by every employee. All the reports have their own filtering options to help you extracting the information quicker. Together with the export function, you can also view the report in Excel format for further data analysis. If you want to understand more in details on how to perform each transaction, make sure you check out our training videos on the production module on our knowledge base and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.